Kiuria kana hihi arutwo mathukuru-ini maria maragomwo mararumirira makinya ma teti bururi-ini ni kiyumiritie. Guku kamiti ya Senate igie githomo ikienda thuthuria wa kinyi wikwo na guoya wa igeranio ndugatuike no guotura tumarutwo mamaramare.
Is this a seed that has been planted that is beginning to affect our schools immensely?
Most of the schools that have been also affected are those schools which were performing very well in exams, but all of a sudden their principles have been delocalized.
Aige ameba kamiti o makiuga ni hari bata arutwo magie na andu akumatara mathukuru-ini gutigakorwo thina uria mari naguo ni munene gukira uria kureciririo.
By the time students either demonstrate or ban, then it means there must have been simmering tension over time. It has been going on over time. It cannot be a one-day event.
Uyu ni uhoro nyititwo baru ni ambunge angi makienda nyitite miruhonge-ini rwa githomo matige kuorotana na handu-ini hau guo methe kihonia kuona gutire mundu utari na uigiririki.
These are our children that we take them to boarding schools, even some as early as when they are in standard 3. So that parental guidance and counseling has collapsed in our societies.
Of course, education is everybody's business. It takes a whole nation to bring up an educated group.
Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed augete ni mareko uria mangihota na watho ni ukurumirirwo kuhurana no maramari uyu.
So we're not going to deviate from the measures that we have already announced. I think that they're stringent enough and we'll continue implementing them until fires become a thing of the past.
Amina hamwe na nyitite miage ruhonge-ini rwa githomo makoretwo magicera mathukuru-ini matiganite maria mahutitio ni wagagu uyu mageria-ini ma gwetha kihonia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.